Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we will learn how to clean install Windows 11. First we need a Windows 11 bootable USB drive. If you don't have, I will put you a link under the video how to create a bootable USB drive. Reboot the computer from the USB bootable drive. Select Language and click Next. Click on Install Now. You can click on I don't have a product key. Click on the checkbox and then click Next. Click on Custom. Choose on which drive you want to install Windows and then click Next. Select your country and click Yes. Select keyboard layout and click Next. You can add a second keyboard layout. Then click Next. Click on Add Layout. Type your PC name. Then click Next. Click on Setup for personal use and click Next. If you want, you can sign in with Microsoft account, but you don't have to. Click on Sign In Options and then click on Offline Account. Click on Skip. Click on Don't Sign In and then click Next. Enter your username and then click Next. If you want, you can type password. If you don't, click Next. Choose here Privacy Settings for your device. Then click Accept. The installation complete and you have Windows 11. Thanks for watching. See you next time.